I had this woofer hooked up to a pro audio amp. It's 100. It's rated at 100 watts RMS. I had the dial set to 50%. Like, it's pretty loud, like that volume. My elect speakers handle it pretty well. But I got the bass boost on, the bass all the way up. The dial's on 50%, but I'm gonna test it anyways. Here's 32% volume. Sorry, showing the limit. That's not good. If I can hear about it now. The amp is not warm at all. Watch when hear this when I turn this up all the way. Yeah, I can smell it. But I got the bass up all the way on here. Why do I hear distortion? It's just a woofer. Stuff's not the amp. I don't think so. Does not do that with my speakers. But I got the bass up all the way on my amp. It will definitely do it with my ELAC speakers, I think. Woofer already sounds unhappy at this point. Here's 30% again. Why does it sound very unhappy on this file? Try some more bassy songs. Try 40%. That's pretty low. Here's Little John. That's 40%. It's bottoming out. Does not like 100 watts of RMS at all. Or even 50, I don't think. Starts clipping at like limiting at like 26%. Oh my god, it sounds very unhappy. The amp is not warm at all. It's a pretty powerful amp, I think. Bass is up all the way off here.